Hello. Ever got the urge to create something that's sweet but also healthy? With sweet, a healthy dessert perhaps? Well, today you're going to get the chance to make beetroot ice cream. Welcome to Weird Food Wednesday, where you can learn about different weird but healthy foods that you can make that will hopefully inspire you to try something different. I'm your host, Marilyn Zink. I'm a certified nutrition coach, herbalist, and the publisher of the Herbal Collective magazine. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how you can make beets and ice cream. Weird, eh? But good for you. Now, these are beets. I went ahead and roasted them and pureed them, and I'm going to put them in the blender. And I've got some coconut milk here. So if you didn't want to use coconut milk, you could probably use like a cream. And I'm always going to put the liquid into the blender first. And then I'm going to add the beet. So I've shaken up the coconut milk. So the fat and the other part of the coconut milk blends nicely. I'm going to put these beets in the blender. It looks very purpley pinky. And I always like to add herbs to my food. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger to this. I think some ginger would give it some nice flavor. And ginger is a strong herb, strong spice. You don't want to add too much. Yeah, to blend it all up. Oh my, this is looking very purpley. Wow, look at that. I stir it around a bit. Spoon. Oh, here's my spoon. I think it needs a little bit more spice. Spice gives it a nice flavor. I'm going to add a little bit more ginger. Okay, let's try that again. Now you got to watch when you do things with beets because that purple from the beet juice can like just get everywhere. That's very thick. Like very thick. Oh, look at that. Smells good. Okay. All right, add it to the ice cream maker. Just remember, I have to add some sweetener. So I've got a bit of maple syrup here. And I need about a quarter cup of that. Ooh, that'll probably make it blend up really nice too. Right. Don't want to forget important ingredients sometimes. You can always add a sweetener later, but it wouldn't be the same. All righty. So I'm just going to get my ice cream maker, which I had handy in the freezer. This is what I put in the ice cream maker container. And stuff to blend it. Pouring it all in there. I need a spoon again. All right. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to tell you a little bit about beets and why they're so good for you. Now, one of the things that beets do is they're very good for your liver health, and they're good for inflammation, good for things like blood pressure, um, improves digestion, better brain function, increasing folate in your body. So these are a lot of qualities that beets have, but something, we don't tend to eat beets very commonly in our North American diet. And that's something we can change. If you're looking for different ways to incorporate beets into your diet, this might be one of them. So I'm going to pause this and we'll come back in a bit. Hello, I'm back and got the ice cream made. Look how rich that is. So if you don't have an ice cream maker, what you could do is just blend it up nicely in the blender and put it in a container in the freezer for a bit and then try it that way. And one thing I would suggest to add a little bit more sweetener. And I've also made a few other modifications to this to make it better, even better. If you want to find out more, click the links below. And I thank you for watching and have a great day and happy weird foods. Bye.